I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up a payment gateway on Etsy can seem daunting, but it's pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Create an Etsy account. If you don't have an Etsy account yet, go to the Etsy website and sign up. Fill in your email, create a password, and choose a shop name. Step 2. Access Shop Manager. Once your account is created, log in and navigate to the Shop Manager. You can find this option in the top right corner of the Etsy homepage. Step 3. Set up payment preferences. In the Shop Manager, click on Finances and then select Payment Settings. Here, you can choose how you want to accept payments, including credit cards and PayPal. Step 4. Link your bank account. You will need to provide your bank account details for Etsy to deposit your earnings. Click on Add Bank Account and fill in the required information. Make sure your bank account is set up to receive payments. Step 5. Review and save changes. After entering all your information, double-check everything for accuracy. Click Save to finalize your payment gateway setup. If you miss a detail, you might have to start over. Now you're all set to start selling on Etsy with your payment gateway ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy selling!